Okay, whatever. I feel like chat prefers the monkey, but maybe not. Alright, whatever. Tiebreaker. Also, who said the clips got deleted? They just got hidden. You think we should just have one side YouTube channel? Also, I told you I kept the one you made. The other ones that were just Redbeard and Lo-Fi, those ones may be hidden for now. And the monkey can really fly though. Why am I not throwing at the guy that's chasing me? Projectile count? Sure. Oh, crud. I was asking for my benefit. Yes, I think a side clip channel. Do you think I could just put him on the main Redbeard channel? I mean, nothing we do matters anymore, right? It's all over. Luck Tome? I think I still want some luck, right? I really think the Luck Tome is the best thing you can get as your first level. So all the rest of your level ups can be better. I'll just take it now. Actually, let's go with this one. That is Fartstone Central. Yeah, that's fair. Earth YouTube? Alright, I'm getting rid of that. It's my retirement fund? That's not good. There's very little money in playing Hearthstone. Alright, we'll take some luck. How about some rewards? I can't see anything on the map. Maybe I could, I don't know, get another weapon, or... Kill these, why are they so fast? Alright, well, I don't want luck right now, but okay. That's what they gave me. I don't want more luck right now. But if we can live, it's great! Problem is we're not doing the living thing right now. 72, is that what it costs? 72? Damage on the bananas. No, I didn't get that. Not so sure I totally agree with him. Might be good if you want to try and collect stuff you don't have from not playing. Which thing? What game are we talking about? Sorry? I love collecting stuff. I love collecting things and contributing nothing to society. Oh, I don't have enough gold to make this purchase. Slurpka gloves, credit card, green. Green credit card is good. Red credit card is good. Alright, I mean, I'm so lucky, but I think I'm actually cursed. I can't. Sand golem? I can't fight anybody. How much am I dealing to him? Like 2? I'm cursed. I'm cursed to get luck on everything. He's already awake. Maybe I can get this. Nope. Projectile. I gotta take projectiles. I need something. I need a second weapon. Swarm is gonna kill me. Where can I get stronger? A lot faster. Maybe that guy? I want gold, but I gotta live. The only thing that can help me deal any damage. I gotta get something better. Better. I can't reach out, I'm gonna die. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, I gotta kill that sand troll. It's been half an hour. Wait, I need to heal here. Okay, we heal. And we work on taking out the sand column. Right? Where did he go? Oh, there it is. Size shield arrows. Okay, a monkey with a bow and arrow. It'll have to do. Does that heal me? Is that what that said? Okay, I think we might be strong enough to take on just these regular little shitters. Banana crits are dealing 43. What am I doing? Maybe I should... Wait, do I still not know where the boss is? I really thought that would help me find it. Alright, I feel like we got out of the danger zone, but we need to figure out where the boss is. Always in the same spot. Oh. I mean, these are kind of strategic, you know, just run through all the enemies. Lifesteal. Let's take a little thorns. I don't know. Everybody seems to be bashing me. Oh, there it is. Okay, so let's fight the... How can I don't understand how I can be level 12. Also, where are all my passive tomes? What do I have? I have luck and projectile. Where's XP? Alright, I want this. Okay, I want that. I want this too. Fire staff? Okay, sure. Extra jumps? I want extra jumps. Okay. Don't hate it. Gold. Air 2 is broken? Wait, it's broken? What do you mean broken? When they took it off, they scoured it from the internet? Max HP damage? Oh, attack speed, crit chance. Alright, let's refresh. Shield, damage. Damage, attack speed. So not what I want. Attack speed, projectile, not great. Projectile count, okay, I mean that's fine. Okay, XP, finally. Let's get some XP going. Alright, we're gonna cook here. Silver, attack speed. What do I want? Projectile, luck. Alright, you know what? I'm locking in attack speed. Attack speed and damage on the bananas. Can't sleep because I'm bonking. Good, good. Alright, we got how much gold? Not enough to make that purchase. Crits have a chance to heal me. I'll just take extra damage. Alright, we're gonna get 2 bosses here. That's probably okay, as long as we, you know... Oh, we have no stinky cheese? Stinky cheese is always nice. Remember, we're trying to beat tier 2. This is level 1 on tier 2. We need to beat level 2. So we need to kill these jabronis. Oh man, I could really use some more. I could use some more jumps. That's the monkey, that's always fun. Damage on my bow. Stinky cheese, good for the next round. I'm gonna take some XP here. Just to help me. I'm up to max 220 health. Ooh, 245. We should heal up pretty well here. Projectiles. Alright, let's grab a little luck. I'm gonna also up 5% difficulty. I probably should have done that already. I feel like this is feasible. I feel like this is doable. Wait, what's that? Wait a minute. Oh, Lord. I need these. Look at that double! Double! Crit chance XP gain? I gotta go XP. Elite spawn increases is probably fine, but I'm gonna go damage. What does this cost me? 600? 495? Ooh, kill 1500 as the monkey? Don't mind if I do. Alright, still easy. I think we're fine. Ooh, wait a minute. Maybe we could make a good purchase now. This might be a mistake. This actually might be a mistake. Duration, lifesteal. Let's take a little lifesteal. Credit card. My luck goes up with every chest. I'm gonna take that. Oh no. Alright, hold on. Oh my god, I just got a sick reward. Okay. I just saw the black shades. I'm gone. Don't worry, I'm gone. Is my chat frozen? What the? Wait, are you guys here? Is anybody here? How long have I been on? Oh, I'm on the right page now. Oh, my stream just froze. We're here, right? The monkey man's here. Okay. Trip is the guy robbed me. Robbed me earlier. He's here spamming my chat. That's great. Thorns, attack speed. All right, we're going in. We're locking in. This is it. This was the run. We said we had to end on a win. It's gonna be a huge win. Bounce off the cactus. Did we get a funny clip? You never know. Maybe a clip where I'm not throwing. but instead like winning and then having fun. Could you imagine? I have a lot of fun playing this game. I picked Tails. Ooh, second legendary? So after I die, I get another life. Interesting. Probably not gonna die. Oh, I might die. I thought I was supposed to heal while shooting things. Maybe a little more lifesteal, maybe, just a little bit. I guess if they just land right on top of me and I just let them hit me indefinitely, then I don't heal. Evasion? Yeah. What do you got for me? Oh my god, I need 2,000? I had 2,000 probably. How am I still dealing no damage though? Oh, it just bounced over me. Alright, another jump would be acceptable. I'll take another jump. Silver gain, knockback. Can I just... I shoot so many projectiles that just don't do any damage. Oh, a little bit of shield. A little shield is actually pretty huge. Just tank one hit every once in a while. Sand golem? Alright, I need damage. More projectiles. I mean, more projectiles does equal more damage. Not at the rate I was kind of hoping for. Luck? Alright, I could take a little luck. I could stand to get a little luck here. It's about all the luck I think I can handle though. What's my luck at? 76%? Okay, yeah, I don't probably need more luck. What's my crit chance at? 12% only? It's preposterous. That legendary is putting in work. Honestly, I've got the green card. The green credit card. I kinda don't need to take the luck, I just need to open chests. XP gain though? Yeah, I'll take XP. Okay, I kinda don't need to take XP now. I don't think I do. What I really need is a way to convert all this luck and XP into damage. Attack speed, size, and projectile speed. Crit chance? Crit chance is damage. What's my HP at? 260? I could stand to get another bunch of XP maybe? Bunch of HP? I didn't need more experience, but let's get some more experience. Okay, I definitely need the things that can be converted into damage. I'll take advantage. Where's my crit rate at? How is it only 29%? Go up to 39 at least. Size, armor, duration. Yeah, I'll take size. Whatever. Projectile count. Let's take some damage on my bow. Gold gain? Dude, I'm so rich. Ooh, microwave. You know, I might microwave for some stinky cheese, maybe? Went from no crits to a lot of crits. I mean, some of this is good, some of it's bad. Damage is good. I'm gonna take a little cheese. Just monkeying around right now. Yeah, I missed what I lost. Oh, I can't afford it? Okay, well I've got double cheese. If I can't afford it, I probably can't afford from this one. Oh, I got another legendary. I remember him. Alright, let's try this shrine. We got 3 minutes. I'm not fighting that bandito, 1.4 million health or whatever. Probably have 100 million health now. Gold gain? Oh, you know what? I should take crit damage. I don't need gold. Okay, can we deal with the swarm? Actually, I really should have taken crit damage. That would have been great. Why am I leveling up 100 levels? What happened? Did the game just bug? You lost crit? Oh my god. Which crit though? Just some crit chance. Is the game broken? Dude, I'll be so strong. Oh! Maybe I'll be weak. Please. Okay, bomb him. Why did it just get so much stronger? Okay. Did I not get stronger myself? Oh wait, where's the boss that way? Alright, I'm going more projectile counts. I need damage. Alright, I gotta fight these mini bosses. Wait, I spawned him? Oh lord. I meant to kill these guys first. Often. Come on. I only got 2 jumps. Want to die? Or I'm trying to get in on the scorpion. Take the scorpion out. I think I can pick up that chest. I'm gonna work my way over to the chest. We should be fine as long as I don't die. I've got a minute, so I'm not really at risk of final wave killing me. At 280, killing him pretty fast and healing pretty well. This could be our first tier 2 desert win with the Monke of all characters. Not a good character, I don't think. But a fun one. A very fun character. I'll take a little luck. Let's see what we got here. Alright, as much... Ooh, I should say that. As much damage as they'll give me here. We did it. Oh, we had a good run. Banish the burger. Alright, so we've beaten tier 2 with the Monke now. And we've proved we're not the worst at the game. Actually, a lot of the things I could lose are kind of irrelevant here, aren't they? What if I took evasion? I lost experience, which is actually fine, right? What if I took more evasion? And what did I lose? I lost crit, which is a little less good, but also kind of fun. And then, so all we can do now is try to stay alive as long as possible to try to earn extra coins for spending in between rounds. And what I'm going to try to do is also get a good clip. Go to Heal Shrine. I mean, we're not hurting, right? So our health is full. And these guys will push you. Like, if you just stand here, eventually they'll push you off of your spot. Very quickly, they'll push you off of your spot. But if I can keep moving, then it's actually harder for them to hit me while I'm in the air and while I'm flying faster. So that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm also going to try to utilize these tornadoes to push me up, push me farther. If you look closely at our health bar, it's just healing even while we're getting banged on, because we have like lifesteal and crits heal us and stuff. So we can tank a lot of hits, but what I want is to get caught in these tornadoes and then find find a way to like utilize that into speed, transfer that into speed, bouncing off of the walls. So I'm gonna try to catch as many tornadoes as I can. Like here, like this is just time. Time in the air is time in memoriam. Get all the XP? I don't care about the XP. These things are gonna kill you rather quickly. Like, this is over, right? Like we won. So if I stand still, then they'll kill me. I'll gain XP, but I'll be dead. Right now I want to live and slide. That's how I'm trying to fly. Oh lord, 360, no scope it. This is great. This is what I was hoping for. Come on, come on. Just give me something to bounce off of. This may look like I'm not doing anything. I'm actually, I think, deliberately doing this as strategically and as skillfully as anybody has ever done it. Oh, if I didn't hit that cactus, I would have kept flying. All right, here we go. It's our new record, I think. I think my old record was like 9. Attack speed? Oh, if I had a ton of knockback, maybe I could push him away from me with all this attack speed. Woo, baby! Okay. Here we go. I'm doing a 360 in the air. I don't know if you can see that. That's deliberate. That's like a 1947. Oh dang! Oh, I gotta freeze. I don't know how it pushed me on a freeze. I can't even move. I need speed. Let's earn speed. I think I have carpal tunnel. I actually think I may have just pulled a tendon or torn a muscle. Cooked. Yeah, I'm on cooked. Right? I'm not cooked, you know what I mean? No! I hit the wall! Or is the max? I have no idea what the max is. That's my part. My arm hurts really bad. There's my legendary. 68. What was my legendary triggering? This one? That was great. Wait, we completed, so we got Vlad. Oh, we need to unlock Vlad. That was great. That was a really good run. Do you guys want to do another run or no?